Welcome dear children to our bio lab. Today we'll begin with our practicals. So before beginning with the practicals, I would like to show you our lab. Many of you have been here, some of you are if new admission, then also you can see the lab. How is our bio lab? And here at present I am here in the lab with full energy, full enthusiasm and happy to show you the practicals. Okay, so before beginning, just have a look at our bio lab. See, this is our board and this is our lab. Here is the EduCom. Then microscopes are here. And as you can see, and these are your tables where you are going to do the practicals. And here is the teacher's table. And this is our lab with the microscopes over here. And here is the shelf where we will put the materials which we have to do the practicals. Leaf stomata practical today I will perform for you. So I have collected some leaves and here is the preparation room. Okay, this is our preparation room and lots of one more room is here for storage where you are not allowed to enter, and here we have the specimens. So many specimens are there in our lab. We will go one by one with them, and as and when you are able to come in the physical school, you will enjoy the practicals here in our lab. So this is a complete view of our bio lab. Hope you enjoyed it. Now children, I will show you the microscope, okay, the different parts of the microscope. Before we begin with our practicals or anything, we should know each and every part of the microscope, how to use it, how to adjust the things so that the slides can be visible at the better view, nice, and then we can observe it. So see here. Here all the microscopes are here and we put the microscope in front of the window so that the light comes properly on it. Now coming to this, right from here I will begin to explain you. See, the light will come here, the window is there and you will have a nicer view also and better light also. So this is the first thing, this is called as the eyepiece. Okay, this is the eyepiece. And here we put it. This is the nose, you can say, and here is the adjustment. See, we have the lenses here, okay, for low magnification and high magnification. Okay, the low magnification is, as you can see here, it is written, hope you can see, and the high magnification is here. Here the some other number is there, hope you can see, it is this. Now this is the stage. On this stage we put the slide under it. When I will prepare the slide and I will show you. Just now you will study the complete structure, this diagram or all the parts of the microscope. This you have to draw also in your practical notebook. So this is the stage where the slide is put, and these are the clips with which we adjust the slide so that the slide does not move and we can fix it properly. Then here is the handle. This is the handle from which we hold the microscope. This is the base, okay, and then here these screw-like structures you are able to see, these are movable, okay. So this one, the first one, is the coarse adjustment. Coarse means that an idea of the slide of the specimen or the the section which is there, that section is put on the slide and it is properly placed here, that we can see from this coarse adjustment. And then to sharpen it, to see it more nicely, fine adjustment is there. And here we have the mirror. See, here we have a mirror, and this is movable in this way as well as in this angle also, both the sides, this side as well as this side. So this is these are all the parts of the microscope which I have told you just now, and step by step I'll tell you how to use it. First of all, you will hold it from here with one hand, and the second hand will be at the base. Show you how to hold this. See, here it is, microscope with this hand, and the second hand should be here at the base, so that this should not fall, or the eyepiece should not fall. Okay, this is how we are holding it properly. Then what I will do, first of all, when we see, I am bringing it closer to you. See now, first of all, the light is adjusted in this. What is adjusted? First of all, light from this mirror. This mirror is there. We will look into this, and then I'll try to adjust the light so that the maximum light can come in this microscope. From here I will see, from this eyepiece. These are also of different magnification. Okay, so here I'll put, and then here light is adjusted. When I see that yes, the brightest light is coming from here, then I will put the slide here, place the clip on that. See, you can hear the voice, and so the slide is fixed, and then you can see from this. First we will do the coarse adjustment. See, by the coarse adjustment, this nose piece is moving up and down, and when it is fixed, okay, this slide is visible, the section on the slide is visible, then I will do the fine adjustment so that the sharpen and the minute details are also available and we can see it properly. Fine. Then we can see that okay, the slide is here, and beside this we keep our observation notebook, and there we draw the diagrams. Hope this is clear to you. The different parts of the microscope, their names you should know, and how it is adjusted. And this can also be adjusted in this way, children. See, this according to your height, or when you are, if you are sitting and doing the experiment. See, this can be adjusted in this way also. Fine. So these are all the different parts of the microscope. Please draw in your fair notebook. Okay. Thank you.